This thing is ripe or not. It's awfully big. I have to employ my husband to help me because I can't tell. I'll let you know what happens. I'm drowning my melon blues with this wonderful sourdough bread that I got at a farmer's market in Highland yesterday. It's not melons, but it makes me feel better. Should check out this. I was so brokenhearted over my watermelon not being ripe that my husband decided to make a watermelon shake out of it. And it actually tastes like watermelon. He put ice and a little bit of sugar in it and made it okay. With the seeds, because he read that the seeds had protein and you could eat them. Very interesting. Well, I figured now that you didn't have to go to the doctor, it'd be nice to let you have your morning to yourself.
Put some clothes on.
Yeah, I know. I didn't want you to have to do that. I just cannot believe this watermelon looks red now and it was white the other day. I don't get this. And it's sweet. I know watermelons are not supposed to ripen after you pick them, but this one was white and we cut into it and half of it we dug out and made a shake. And this is the last half and it is red. So I don't know how that happened.